How to download Discord on your Windows PC. So hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. In this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can download Discord on your Windows PC in under a minute. So there are basically two methods by which you can download Discord in your Windows PC. The first method being the universal one where you will need to open any web browser and simply search for Discord. Click onto the first link by from discord.com, and then from here you can access the Discord website. From here, you can see this banner of download for Windows. Click on to download for Windows and you can see that the installer has successfully downloaded. The other method involves using the Microsoft Store. So head on to Microsoft Store and simply search for Discord. You can see the Discord application right here, and from here click onto this install button and Microsoft Store will automatically download and install this for you without having to additionally install a particular launcher like this. So here are both of the methods using which you can download and install Discord onto your Windows computer. Once this will be done, it will show as done and then you will be all set to launch Discord. So that was all for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, do make sure to drop in a like and also do let us know in the comments what went wrong and what are the things that we can improve. So that was all. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.